A pocket and travel staple brand, Leatherman brings us the Wingman Multi-Tool. The Wingman is a true classic. Designed and assembled with premium materials, the Wingman is your go-to tool for projects around the house, on the job, or at the campsite. Equipped with 14 tools to handle almost anything: knife, pliers, screwdrivers, wire cutters, a wire stripper, scissors, a package opener, bottle and can openers, a file, and a ruler. We're proud to stand behind every product that leaves our factory in Portland, Oregon. That's why we offer our 25-year warranty, so you can be confident your Leatherman lasts a lifetime. Just don't lose it in the lake while you're out fishing. Open all the tools with one hand, even the ones that aren't accessible from the outside, and with a locking blade, you can cut with confidence. With its compact size, lightweight design, and removable pocket clip, your Wingman is always within reach and ready to work. Whether you're a basic DIYer or want a small and simple toolkit to keep in your car, King Tool brings us a 325-piece toolkit in a small package to fit your basic needs for tools. Includes one drawer storage box with independent sliding drawer to enlarge the capacity more than common toolbox. Assortment of necessary tools are in one tool chest, with a durable plastic case with internal molded compartments to keep each component protected and easily accessible. All tools meet or exceed ANSI standard, made of high-quality steel and finished in heat-treated chrome. Durable and corrosion resistance. Handles made of TPR material, comfortable for any grip. 325-piece tool set for most small repairs and DIY projects around the house. It is perfect for handymen, construction workers, mechanics, workshops, etc. This tool set is also a good gift choice for family member, friends, partners, etc. Comprehensive assortment of professional grade wrenches, a complete range of 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch metric size sockets and precision screwdrivers, hammer, tape measure, pliers, etc. A 72-tooth ratchet. Variety of 1/4 inch screwdriver bits, Phillips, slotted, square, star, and posi. Soft grip handle on screwdrivers, pliers, SR tipper and hammer provides excellent comfort and control. This toolkit is easy to carry and stock. It is a good gift choice for men and women. Also, this tool set is perfect for Father's Day and is a great option as a gift for dad, boyfriend, and brothers for any holiday or birthday. Coming in for those tight and hard to reach jobs is the Siligun Compact Caulking Gun with a fantastic caulking tool. Compact convenience, seal up windows, trim, tile, and more with your innovative no-drip caulk gun from Siligun. Lay a uniform bead of latex, silicone, or polyurethane sealant with clean application. Make the job simple with your patented sealant gun. There's no push rod sticking out of the back. Store it easily and get into tight spaces without bumping or scratching walls. Simply load a 10-ounce tube or 310 milliliter sausage pack. A special contracting collar feeds the sealant through at a 12-to-1 push ratio. Trim away empty tubing to make your small caulking gun even smaller and more convenient. Count on your anti-drip caulking gun to last. Strong, yet lightweight IBS plastic stands up to abuse and is easy to hold for long periods. Hang it up for storage with a built-in hook. Already have a caulking gun that you're in love with and just need a tool to make cleaning up and getting beautiful lines just a bit easier? Buy the Saker silicone caulking tool separately and enjoy the benefits. Saker silicone caulking tools could combine 3 functions into one, including internal angle scraper, flat angle scraper, and silicone smoother. It can help you remove the seal and resealing and repair the gap and clean the residual glue easily. Saker 3-in-1 caulking tool has a sharp, hard stainless steel blade for long-lasting strength for removing old sealant and caulking. Nice silicone trowel for the removal of bumps and dents along the surface. White silicone pads for smooth application of new silicone. Double-edged scraper for inner and outer corners, and the 2 sides are fixed by 4 screws. It is not easy for the scraper head to loosen while in use. Perfect for use in the kitchen, bathrooms, walls, or anywhere you need to apply a clean bead of caulking to seal a joint. Works beautifully around tubs, sinks, toilets, wall joints, and tiles. Many tools in one tiny and convenient package. The Fantic Mini Electric Screwdriver Kit is an amazing accessory for any appliance or electronic repairman. Equipped with a high torque of 0.2 nanometers and a low torque of 0.05 nanometers, as well as a manual torque of 3 nanometers, this delicate electric screwdriver offers accurate torque forces for your handy work needs. Ideal for tablet computers, mobile phones, watches, electronic bracelets, cameras, precision instruments, etc. With 50 bits of 9 categories, the Fantic Mini Electric Screwdriver can prepare you for a variety of repair tasks. The S2 hardened steel guarantees a long and safe serving life. A good quality tool makes good quality work. Comes with a magnetic case that keeps the electric screwdriver and 50 metal bits orderly in a place. The pop-up mechanism brings you satisfying sensation for every open and close of the case. The chuck and bits are both magnetic for easy attachment. Built with a chargeable long-lasting battery, certified to operate 400 screws for a full charge. The Type-C port provides convenient experience. The robust motor has a maximum speed of 200 RPM, makes hard work done with ease. Bringing in another wonderful tool from Saker is their contour gauge, a wonderful tool for woodworkers, homeowners, and DIYers. Saker contour gauge can duplicate any shape instantly. This profile gauge creates an instant template for curved and odd-shaped profiles simply and easily. Never transfer profiles to paper or cardboard again. The contour gauge makes measuring and cutting easy. The Saker contour gauge is designed for winding pipes, circular frames, ducts, and many odd-shaped objects, ideal for fitting tiles, laminate, carpet, checking dimensions, molding, etc. A very useful tool for operations on car bodies, carpentry, and for all kinds of modeling. Able to adjust the tightness according to your needs. After using the contour ruler for a period of time, you can easily adjust the tightness. Once the object has been contoured, simply lock the contour gauge teeth in place for perfect traces every time. Our contour gauge is made of high-quality ABS plastic, making it high-strength, rust-proof, and incredibly durable. We offer both a 5 inches and a 10 inches version for measuring the shapes of any irregular objects. Contour gauges are used to locate profiles or edges and accurately transfer them to the material that you'll be cutting. For any kind of work needs, the contour gauge's ability to duplicate the shapes onto your material is an invaluable feature for your shop. No shop or hobbyist is ever complete without a rotary tool for those small details. WorkPro offers a 12-volt cordless rotary tool kit for those needs. This rotary tool delivers significant power despite being cordless. The 2.0 amp lithium-ion battery powers the 12-volt motor and allows users to sand, grind, and cut quickly without issue. The rotary tool itself boasts a significant speed range with 5 convenient speeds: 7,500, 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, and 32,000 RPM. This allows you to choose the best speed for the job at hand. The cordless rotary tool kit includes 114 accessories in total, with grinding stones, sanding pads, felt wheels, mandrels, and much more. It comes with 2 sizes, 3 30-seconds and 1/8 inch universal chucks, which allows you to quickly and easily change accessories on the rotary tool freely. A number and variety of accessories make this tool perfect for crafters working with a lot of materials. All accessories can easily be stored in a plastic case. The entire rotary tool only weighs 1.38 pounds and is just 10 inches in length. It is an excellent choice for those who don't want a cumbersome cord attached to their tool. The rotary tool is equipped with a hook hanging in the air with a rope, saving effort for long hours of work. The tool has very little vibration or sound, so you won't have that buzzed hand feeling either. WorkPro rotary tools are small handheld devices with rapidly spinning motor tips designed to accept a wide range of bits and attachments. This makes them perfect not only for a wide range of household tasks, including repairs and maintenance, but also for crafting and hobbies. There are even rotary tool attachments designed to care for pets' toenails. Complementing the Fantic screwdriver kit is the Wowstick Drill 11-in-1 drill pen. This is a really suitable handheld electric drill tool. The new written test design is the most comfortable posture. It always makes people feel unsafe and uncomfortable when the cutter head is exposed. This is finally solved. Boasting a screw-free standard 8 bits, high-quality high-speed steel, all-metal gearbox to meet various drilling needs, effectively improve the efficiency of micro-drilling. One key operation: press and hold the switch while pressing to release and stop, with ultra-light, ultra-quiet, portable, and other features. The Wowstick drill kit has 8 drill bits made of hardened steel: 0.8mm, 1.0mm, 1.2mm, 1.4mm, 1.6mm, 1.8mm, 2.0mm, and 2.2mm. It allows 420 rotations per minute plus 10% drilling at a high speed, effectively improving the efficiency of micro drilling. This mini drill set is small in size and light in weight. It is suitable for wood, resin, jewelry, amber, olive, beads, walnut, beeswax, olive fruit, plastic, PVC, and many other DIY projects that require precise holes to be drilled. Type-C charging port to charge faster and easier, eliminating the cumbersome use of wired plug-ins. The lithium battery design brings more efficient use and improves desktop and portable experience. A small but arguably necessary staple for any small shop is a belt sander. This little electric belt sander is a wonderful addition while having a very minimal footprint. Seafang Mini Electric Belt Sander with 20 sanding belts, coming at 4 each of 120, 320, 600, 800, and 1000 grit. Comes with a dustproof cover, 3 grinding wheels, a wrench, and a power adapter. Contains a variety of abrasive sanding belts so you can choose the best belt or wheel for your specific job. Swap out the belts for either a grinding wheel or cloth wheel to turn it into a small bench grinder and polisher. The angle of the worktable can be adjusted at will, which is convenient to use. Works wonderfully for getting the proper bevel for keeping your kitchen knives razor sharp. Adjustable RPM from 4,500 to 9,000 RPM allows it to grind metal, wood, acrylic, and other materials as well. This small electric belt sander grinder is made of high-quality metal, which resists rusting, wear and tear, and has a long service life. The copper motor utilizes a double bearing setup for high speed, high torque, minimal sound, and an anti-skid design allowing smooth operation. The perfect accessory for all your projects around the house, look no further than the AMPA's magnetic wristband. Designed for holding screws, nails, drill bits, and any other small metal object that always get lost while you're doing those tedious jobs. Each AMPA's magnetic tool accessory contains 15 powerful magnets embedded in the wristband for holding screws, nails, bolts, washers, and drill bits with ease. You could strap it to the wrist, a belt, or hang it above the workbench. Made of 1680D ballistic polyester, magnetic wristband is embedded with 15 strong magnets. With 2 small pockets, plastic parts are placed. Breathable material and lightweight design makes this wrist magnetic screw holder perfect for you or your loved one. Magnetic wristbands are great for handymen who need to store small metal bits and screws on their wrists, as they do repairs at home or on a construction site. This magnetic screw holder is great for home improvements, construction, carpentry, auto repair, and other DIY projects. The AMPA's wristband measures 16x 3.8x 0.2. Magnetic wristband for holding tools features super strong magnets, a breathable design so that you can wear the bracelet all day, and a weight of 3.36 ounces. It comes with adjusting belt to fit all wrists perfectly. Never forget one of the best gifts to combine with all of these: a subscription to Amazon Prime to take advantage of free 2-day Prime shipping, exclusive deals, tons of movies and music, and more. Click the link in the description below for a free 30-day trial to make sure it's right for you. Also, if you like the content provided by this channel, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date for all new content as it comes out. New videos and lists will come out every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for your viewing pleasure, and to bring you new deals and ideas for your home, family, and life. Thanks so much for tuning in. Take care.